Hey family, so in this presentation, I am going to share with you the 6 essential elements for a winning digital marketing strategy. So let's get started. So the first thing we want to understand is actually what is digital marketing? And it's actually a form of marketing that uses electronic media to promote and sell products. All right. The next thing that's valuable is content marketing. All right. So, content marketing is the creation and publication of useful content designed to attract, educate, and maintain your target audience. So, it's just a matter of creating valuable content that your end user will be interested in. Okay. The very next element is native advertising. And you've seen native advertising all over the place. You look at when you open up a blog, you'll see maybe a video or you'll see something off to the side. That's native advertising. So it's also called sponsored content. And it's a type of advertising that actually matches the form and function of the platform where it appears, right? So in many cases, it's like an advertorial, and it manifests as a video or an article, and you've seen that quite a bit. So here's an example of an article or an editorial. As I mentioned before, it's inside maybe a blog or it may be on a website, something like that, right? A video is usually it'll be embedded inside the article or the website or the web page. All right. Now we're going to talk about something that you guys are very familiar with, which is pay-per-click. All right, so we do pay-per-click or ads all the time. So it's a marketing strategy that involves online ads. It can be Facebook, excuse me, it could be Facebook, Instagram, where advertisers pay each time a user clicks on their ad. And here's an example of a Google ad. All right. All right. The very next thing is SEO. This is my favorite. All right. SEO is the practice of improving your website so that it becomes more search engine friendly, mobile responsive, and it brings organic traffic to the website by improving its ranking position in the search results. So when someone starts searching, just does a random or a generic Google search for a product or a service, if your website comes up, then you are ranking in the organic search. And this takes the most work. However, it's the most rewarding because one, it's free. And number two, it's pretty sustainable, depending on what other people or your competitors are doing around you, right? So you want to make sure that you're appearing in those search engines organically. All right, number 5 is social media marketing. It's the practice of promoting a product or service on social media platforms. And the social media platforms you choose simply depends on the type of product or service that you are selling. So you want to make sure that the product or service that you are selling um, matches the audience, or your audience is where um, they'll be located and matched with your product or service. I hope that makes sense. All right. And number 6 is email marketing. Now, back in the day, this was old school. Well, people tend to think that it's old school. However, this is extremely valuable simply because your email list is gold. If someone opts in to become a member of your email community, then they are interested in what you have to sell. So it's a marketing approach that actually uses email as a way of marketing to and nurturing potential and existing clients. So it's basically a way, and this dog is going, this is a way that you can keep in touch with those clients or prospects who are really interested in what you have to sell. So I just wanted to jump in really quickly. Those are the 6 elements for a winning digital marketing strategy. If you are doing all of these, not just one, you want to make sure that you are doing content marketing. That means you're creating content that your viewers or your audience or your customers are interested in seeing. It could be written, it can be video, it can be campaigns on social media, whatever the case may be. Native advertising, make sure that you're plugging your product in different places on your website or in your social media in the forms of videos, photos, ads, whatever. Pay-per-clicks, you can do pay-per-clicks, pay-per-click campaigns on YouTube. You can do Instagram, Facebook, Google Ads. Those are all applicable. SEO, excuse me. SEO takes time. SEO may cost a little more on the front end, but I promise you it is an invaluable opportunity for you to get in front of your ideal customers or prospects. Social media marketing and email marketing. Hitting all of these, your multiple places across the web will definitely be a benefit to you. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Let me know if you are actually doing some of these strategies for your marketing campaign. I'll chat with you soon.